a haven of luxury. Welcome to Fieldstone. Nestled within the prestigious High Crest community, Fieldstone stands as a testament to refined living. Imagine a haven where luxury seamlessly blends with comfort, where every detail speaks of elegance and sophistication. This is Fieldstone, a community crafted for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Here, amidst rolling hills and lush greenery, you'll discover a collection of exquisite homes designed to elevate everyday living to an art form. A grand entrance. Stepping into elegance. As you approach the home, the grandeur of its architecture takes your breath away. Walking through the grand entrance, you're greeted by a soaring foyer bathed in natural light. The intricate details of the crown molding and the gleaming hardwood floors underfoot hint at the luxury that awaits within. To your right, a formal dining room beckons, promising intimate gatherings and unforgettable meals. To your left, a spacious living room invites you to relax and unwind, its large windows framing picturesque views of the surrounding landscape. Culinary delights, the heart of the home. The heart of this home lies in its gourmet kitchen, a culinary haven designed for both aspiring chefs and seasoned entertainers. Imagine yourself crafting culinary masterpieces amidst gleaming countertops and custom cabinetry. Adjacent to the kitchen, the family room exudes warmth and comfort. Large windows flood the space with natural light, while French doors open onto a sprawling patio for indoor and outdoor living. Upstairs, the master, a true sanctuary designed to promote relaxation and rejuvenation. The ensuite bathroom is a spa-like oasis, complete with a soaking tub, a walk-in shower, and his and hers vanities. The community's convenient location provides easy access to top-rated schools, shopping, dining, and entertainment options, ensuring that everything you need is within easy reach.